moderator or as a host to ask the first questions. 我真係好夠運，我可以問第一個俾你哋嘅問題。So the first one for you is Ildiko. You get the first one. You're the lady. It is so amazing to have the story of the first woman to be able to go into the university to study. What inspired you? 想問一問就係三個故事之中咧，當然嗰個女研究員可以入得到大學做研究係好特別嘅。咁想知道導演係喺邊度得到呢個靈感 ？The inspiration?
Well, I promise I will answer you, but first, just standing here in Hong Kong, beside this wonderful guy.
Means a lot to me too.
第一樣要講就係好難得喺香港可以喺梁先生隔離，企喺佢隔離 ，OK？
It is not my first time in Hong Kong. I was here with several films, and I must say at the end of the 90s when I was here the first time, I fell in love with this town. I fell in love with this intensity, intellectual intensity of it, and I was each time very, very happy to return. But now, knowing that I wrote you, Tony, with his first European film here, I was really very, very tense before stepping on stage.
OK， 我其實係90年代已經開始就已經參與過香港國際電影節幾次，亦都有電影喺呢度放映嘅。咁但係呢一次其實從當時已經係好愛呢一個城市，覺得呢個城市係其實有好多地方都係好吸引到我。但係呢一次呢一個電影有機會同梁朝偉一齊合作，同埋喺呢一度放映，其實我係相當之緊張嘅。But you're no longer that nervous. You're happy.
Yeah, absolutely happy. And you know, we are touring around the world. We showed the film, and I'm very, very thankful to Tony. He said he generally doesn't do that. He made a small European tour for us as well, and to arrive to Hong Kong with this film this is really the end of a very, very long journey from the moment I wrote the script for him, without knowing him, without even having the slightest hope that he will accept the role, and then getting to know each other, preparing, and then the shooting. Yeah.
其實咧，當時編劇寫呢個角色嗰陣時咧，當然就係希望梁朝偉可以做呢個電影，但係其實真係未知道嘅。咁其實呢個整個過程咧都係點講都係好長啊！尤其咧呢一次為咗去推廣呢個電影，其實我哋喺歐洲咧已經做過一個巡迴咁樣去訪問㗎啦。咁亦都而家嚟得到嚟香港，咁可以講咧呢個旅程都相當之長，亦都好開心。現在嚟到呢度。You're now here. Yes, you are now here, and now you have to answer my question about the lady.
The lady, the boy, and the professor, and the Rinko tree, all of them, they are outsiders. They are lonely souls, and because of not being part of a system and not wanting to fit in, they are also free to explore and free to discover. And this is, and not so much the conflicts and the very first steps of the feminist movements, which were important. This was rather to show four versions of this sort of the difficulty, but also the freedom of being outside of the system.
咁其實咧，呢幾個故事之中，你都睇到嘅各個主角其實某啲程度之下咧，係屬於個社會邊緣，或者係甚至係唔屬於本身嗰個本來嘅社會嘅系統裏邊。咁可以講咧係好艱難，但係另外一方面咧，佢哋係特別有自由。因為有呢個自由咧，佢哋可以探索一啲係第啲人探索唔到嘅嘢。咁其實最終嚟講咧，呢個故事係好多情況之下係關於孤寂嘅人嘅孤寂嘅情況。 Yeah, about loneliness. Okay, and then to Tony, 你由歐洲由香港又亦都我知你去咗亞洲㗎啦。啲觀眾嘅反應如何啊 ？Would like to know how the audience's response is in Europe to the film, also in the rest of Asia. I know he's already been to some of the other places.
係啊，歐洲嘅反應其實都相當好咯，因為呢個我相信佢嘅電影我好中意啦。都佢有一班佢歐洲嘅影迷，咁我好開心嘅就係頭先聽到你哋嘅反應啦，特別係喺我自己嘅城市，你哋咁大嘅鼓勵，我當然好開心啦。暫時嚟講，一路落嚟嘅反應都相當好嘅觀眾。
Yeah, we've had very good response, and in Europe, and you can imagine, I love Ildiko's films. There are many fans in Europe of Ildiko's films, and the response has been good. And the thing is, really, just now stepping on the stage and hearing your response really made me very happy. And I feel okay, we do have some possibilities of questions from the audience. Okay. 我要講1、2、3，1、2、3，有問題你舉手啊！我哋睇下點樣揾叫啲人可以答到問題啦嚇。Okay, so 1, 2, 3, raise your hands. Okay, somewhere in the back， 有人舉咗手㗎，舉咗又放低咗嘅。中間嗰個 ，there's somebody in the middle, white shirt， 白色衫嘅。唔認賬啊，係咪啊？
好激动，好激动！没想到真的是我。
等一下，可能好，后面这个没有啊。OK， good，
这位把13啊。我以为是我。
对不起，不是你。OK， 我刚才看到的。OK， 你的很没有。Did you see anybody? I thought I saw somebody on the back. I was trying to be nice. Oh, well, that person was so scared. 我諗你驚係咪 ？You pick. No, you pick.
There was a young man, yeah, and the gray shirt, yeah.
Gray shirt. OK， 第4行，唔該，係企起身，唔該。Very good. You have good eyes.
The question is for both of you. The science for this project has been a long journey for both of you, from the first to meeting to filming, and now there's press tour. So I'm wondering if there's any special moment you thought, I'm so glad we're doing this together, and I'll remember something you will remember for a long time.
好簡單就係呢個整個過程由開始第一次見面至到直至到現在電影已經做成咗啦。咁想問期間有冇啲特別嘅經驗，或者有啲特別嘅情況令佢哋覺得真係好幸運啊，彼此揾到大家。Yes.
Okay.
Go first.
I go first. It is not so much about the tour, although there were some really, really touching moments. It's during the work. I work in a very close alliance with my colleagues, with my team. We used to work in a very calm, focused environment. And I was so glad that an A-star like Tony Leung had this humble attention for each one of them. There were many beautiful human connections between you and the sound team and the camera team and so on and so on. And they were so happy. And it is a very interesting thing in cinema. It is very hierarchic, otherwise you just can't arrive to a ready film. But in the same time, we are equally important on set, all of us.
Can I translate that?
Yeah.
OK， 其實咧，我工作嘅模式咧，就係我哋個團隊係相當之緊密嘅。咁除此之外咧，我覺得我嘅工作方法咧，唔係話係好即係好權威性，唔係話係我喺個高高在上，然後第一人同我一齊工作。咁亦都係好開心同 Tony 呢一次嘅合作，發現咧其實佢係一位好謙虛，同我哋整個團隊好多人，包括收音嘅、包括攝影嘅等等，都係好友善，同埋彼此大家咧嘅合作都係相當之友善，係咪 ？Yes, very friendly with everybody. Correct?
Friendly, and it's not just being kind. No, he has eyes for their talent, for what they are doing. He has respect for that. It's a great collegiality, and it was really a life-changing experience for many of my colleagues.
對佢哋好多人係一生難忘，係因為咧彼此有個尊重啦。除此之外咧 ，Tony 係好洞悉到每一個人嘅才華喺邊度，同埋咧同佢哋彼此之間係有好溝通。Great, thank you。
對我嚟講，我覺得呢次我好幸運有機會可以同 Edigo 合作，因為我好中意佢之前嘅電影《On Body and Soul》《The Story of My Wife》，睇完之後我就覺得一定要同佢合作。結果我冇我用咗6個月嘅時間去準備呢個角色，因為實在太多學術性嘅書要睇。除咗早期認知發展，仲有植物學，仲有哲學，仲有即係好多嘅書同埋 video clips 要睇。但係喺我花咗6個月嘅時間準備，我希望喺拍攝嘅時間咧就盡可能享受晒所有嘅 moment， 就一啲負擔都冇。咁所以我用6個月嘅時間。咁我係意想唔到咧，我從來未拍過一套戲咧係咁開心同埋咁有啟發性，同埋喺個過程裏面，我的而且確學咗好多嘢，亦都跟呢啲佢學咗好多嘢，令到我更加成熟可以話。
Thank you. I really love Ildiko's films, her earlier films. Those are the ones that really made me fall in love with her work. I was very happy to be taking this role, and to prepare for this role, it took me 6 months. And the 6 months is a lot of preparation work, as in reading on botany, reading on philosophy, everything else, as well as
cognitive development.
And also, yes, and cognitive development, as well as watching videos. All of that, that's a lot of preparation. I really wanted to prepare myself so well. Partly is that then I wanted to enjoy that entire filming process. And I was just so happy that during the filming process, I also learned a lot. Okay. 下一個問題啦 ，next question.
This young guy in the middle.
The one that wanted to be the first one. Yes. 唔該你起身，有機會俾你問問。你等俾咪你。Question on a cell phone.
I'd like to know what it feels like to communicate with people. Tree, and how plants would respond.
主要我英文不太好，然后见到梁朝伟太激动了，他在说什么我都不知道，我就光看他了。
OK，
这个我翻译成英文了，用 AI。
我明白，即係問同銀杏樹點樣真係可以有個溝通嚇個感覺係點講？
By the way, it is a perfect way of putting the question after such film.
真係太好啦！
听懂了吗？
聽懂了。
爱念梁先生。
好，聽懂了，謝謝。OK，
我覺得喺我未曾做準備、未曾讀過植物智慧植學關於植物智慧嘅時候咧，我覺得佢哋只係對我嚟講只係 plants 植物。咁直到我讀到嗰本書嘅時候咧，我就開始發覺有啲唔對路啦，就係因為我朝朝早咧都上山頂跑步，咁即係山頂好多樹啊，好多植物，咁突然之間有一日我就覺得好奇怪，我嗰個感覺係好似佢哋喺度有啲，佢哋係一啲生命嚟嘅，即係你會 aware 到佢哋。以前我唔會喎， 我會覺得佢哋唔係真係喺度睇緊我咧。咁因為你讀過之後，你知道佢哋可以透過佢哋啲根啊同埋啲 founders 去傳達信息，去 share information， 同埋佢哋識對外邊嘅世界咧作出反應嘅，譬如吸引一啲佢所吸引嘅蟲啊，或者製造啲毒素出嚟去對抗一啲佢唔想有人接觸嘅佢。咁基本上有一個咁嘅行為嚟講，你識得反應咧，即係你有 consciousness 嘅咯喎，即係好似我哋人咁啊，其實即係你識對外界有 respond 咁就即係有 consciousness。所以我從此我唔覺得我成嗰刻，我覺得唔係淨係對植物，我轉咗個 perspective， 我之前對成個世界個睇法都唔同咗。即係以前我一直相信 hierarchy， 我一直相信我哋人不嬲都係好自大嘅啦，覺得我哋喺 tree of life 裏面，我哋係 top of the tree， 跟住蠢啲嘅一路咁排落去，排到最低嘅樹。咁因為呢個係我會覺得唔係喎，其實樹同我哋一樣喎。咁如果當你有對植物有咁嘅尊重嘅時候，咁其他動物咧，咁係咪其實我哋人應該做任何決定嗰陣時，我哋都應該有 aware 同埋考慮埋我哋身邊其他同我哋一齊share 呢個地球嘅生物咧
？I read the books, and because of that, I actually became quite aware that yes, indeed, plants can feel. Plants actually could sense many different things, and actually, this was something that I didn't think of. Actually, I'm somebody who loves running, actually, just jogging up in the mountain. And so, after I've learned about that, I started walking around and realizing that maybe the trees and the plants can also observe me as I observe them. And actually this is a completely new awareness, and actually it creates a sense of respect of nature, of things around. And also the thing is, human beings tend to always think that they are top of the tree, top of the world. Maybe not, because we sometimes maybe thought that trees are at the bottom of the totem pole. That's not necessarily the case. So really it is a matter of understanding and having the consciousness to respect. And it's not just respect other human beings, but way beyond into nature, the environment, and other living beings.
咁同埋喺戲裏面咧，有時候我對住同個樹做戲嘅時候咧，我就有呢種知識嘅時候，我睇佢，我會覺得係有一種唔同嘅表情啊，或者你喺眼睛裏邊，因為你有咁嘅知識，你睇佢嗰陣時唔同。有陣時咧，我就用另外一種好似譬如一種Buddhist practice 嗰種好似meditation 嗰種，我淨係望住佢，即係淨係個樹，即係冇其他，冇放標籤，冇一啲 concept。咁所以喺戲裏面兩樣嘅表演都有喺裏面。
And then in this whole entire performance, especially those scenes in which I basically look at the tree and act with the tree, I actually use a Buddhist perspective to look at it. So it's literally a very meditative look. It's not actually giving it any sort of label, any sort of even name. It's just relating to the tree as it is.
Right, and sometimes I'll look at it because in a different way, because I have the knowledge of trees, of plants.
Thank you. You don't need a translator. I know, just like Okay. Yeah, we have unfortunately time for one short question, and then we have to go. And I don't. You pick. Short.
So just before, I wanted to ask this boy, and yeah, you, can you stand up, please? Yes. Yes. Yes.
He's special to you. Okay.
Oh,
Good.
he just tried it 3 times, so I thought.
Okay. Good. 你好幸運啊你。
普通话可以吗？
可以可以。
OK，我想问一下两位，首先我非常喜欢这部电影。
没问题吧
？OK，我想问一下两位，就是因为这里面有3个故事嘛，我想问一下两位，各位最喜欢的是哪个故事
？There are 3 stories, as in 3 eras in your film. Want to know which is your favorite? Each of you. You choose your favorite, and he chooses his favorite. I don't have. I think it's you have 3 kids and you love them all, right? Correct.
劇本咧係1900年、70年代、2020年咁樣，即係3個係獨立分開嘅。
Originally, of course, it was 3, very separate films of different eras.
我最中意我自己嗰個，後來我睇第一次同導演喺 Busan Film Festival 睇戲嘅時候，我唔知佢哋係用一種咁樣嘅剪接方式係將部電影呈現出嚟。咁我睇完之後，我就3個故事我都中意。
Well, originally I only liked the one that I did, but the thing is, because it is 3 different eras, I just thought that they were 3 different films. It put together 3 different stories. But actually, we saw the Busan film together at the screening, and I just fell in love with it because of the way the interstitching of the edits, that the stories are actually put together in a way that they're stitched together. So therefore, I really love all 3 of them. It was very outstanding editing. Okay, so thank you very much for that editing. The Q&A session is over. Okay? No, we come back. We are Hong Kong. Hong Kong come back. You know why? We have to have the very special official photographer with you. You face the back. Don't worry. The flashlight will